right now.
We're at Clarendon at
Juicy, having breakfast,
Yeah.
but it's not just for now. We're going somewhere. Can you guys guess where?
We'll just leave it for you guys
Yeah.
too. You know,
So,
it's a surprise.
It's a surprise. So just join with us.
A long journey. It's by the end of Jamaica, so you have an idea.
Yeah, kind of idea. So,
Some people don't like my ear too.
I mean, do it.
Wait there, the week never go good. Yeah, there we go.
So we're just gonna have breakfast and then we'll take on the rest of the road. Just sexy today, though.
Oh, show them a time.
Yeah, so.
Oh, bye guys.
She pretty? I mean, do her makeup.
She wish. So we're going to do a best friend makeover, but I'll makeup them come down from eBay. So you know the process, 1 month, right? So about next month, you can look out for the video there.
Yeah. Best friend does my makeup or something like that. So.
So we're gonna have everything, because when I work with down at town cheap makeup, you know, I put on fleek. So
Yeah, because the downtown makeup, then we make your face get bumpy and then so.
I look alright. This summer other one is just concealer, and I bought L'Oreal C7 foundation, and it came brighter.
Say hi. Your name is? I will look a friend, man. I know one stranger.
Yeah, you see how we know, so
Yeah. Yes, so. Hi. Clear, what you watching for? Clear the pass bust. Ocean. Walk. Sit down there. No like it's a fair magnet. Yes, you guys, after all of that drama, I buy one cheese patty. And if you buy one cheese patty, what you buy? Two cheese patty. And what you buy?
Some onions, some sausage, 2 dumplings and banana.
You don't show them my food?
You go there.
Yeah. So, take on that journey now. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Clear, you alright? I'll do your steppers, Papa. Sure, you alright? Clear, look. Next side.
Backside.
You see the reason why I love sneakers?
Oh please, please, it happens to everyone.
Last time my slippers pop, you popping a big half a tree from them, can they? Sneakers me like. But, so I go. Yeah, for we have to pass sometime. Where's the berry? I want that Aki. Clear. Take it?
Yeah.
You show them now?
You know, I'm gonna eat these berries from last year.
Hope them sweet.
What did you tell about?
Last year summer, 250.
250 flat?
Yeah.
You put ball in up with 2.
Alright.
Man can spell me there all the while, just give me 3 and take that.
To the alone,
Give me man. Heart of love.
Give me palm juice, palm juice. Give me palm juice.
Yeah, man. You want one phone, I want one, I go give me 2 of them, I go with you. No more.
So that's how
Buck up in there.
I want this one. I want this one. Listen.
Yeah, buck your back, man.
Who for back here, bro? See, all this something, yeah? All this must taste bad.
Random stuff.
Long way.
Same place down
No,
someone.
Wrong out of way.
Around dopes. See, that new dance and you have to say, no, daddy, you have to support you. Them. Remember, you
That's true. But,
I want to money pay for phone and that's $100 piece.
yeah, but I know something about them.
$100 I support you to do my daddy.
Hey.
$100 me daddy. No do that. What's a mixer? 4 in 1. We are doing one. 4.
No, I down a big again for 2.
Don't worry about that, man. Just satisfy you win. Just win. Just me. Allow, why you videoing me? Put up on YouTube. DJ Spell in the building, yeah man, we are hustling thing, you see me, our music. You see me, we are distributing.
So
You
which
see
part
me,
them can't find
we
you?
are establishing. You see me, we don't even have a Facebook account yet, but they don't know.
So them can't find if they want to see you.
506 6711 DJ Spell. That's 506 6711. Yeah man, I'm a manager, I'm a producer, I'm a distributor. Me.
Alright, true.
Every revenues have to come to me.
Alright.
Hush. No, you have to support the youth now, my daddy.
And brother,
Oi.
Look door. Make him look. You must see man, come in, my daddy.
To actually take some pictures and snap for you guys at this beautiful location. Beautiful Jamaica, you know the black.
We know what they do. Comment below.
Yes.
I go to the road. Comment below.
Jamaica is so beautiful. Remember to subscribe to her channel, you know, and so on. Yo guys, look. You see my nasty up my dress? Wait, Patsy. It's told that this is the most dangerous hill in Jamaica. So,
You know how you there, no?
no, I don't know. It don't look dangerous to me.
What dangerous?
Wait, they'll come up for you?
We just started.
Welcome though.
I look at this. It seems they can't understand how high in there.
Oh.
Is so high in there?
Yeah.
Oh. But unless it has
That's where
speed,
you
I
guys
swing
see
and go somewhere, you know.
It's a continue down. You better run out your car on top.
So you're saying I'm gonna press gas right now.
Flying like a gunshot to go.
Oh, I can feel the speed because I go down here.
You watch it?
Watch out.
I break up. I'm not break up people.
When they come off of the hill,
No, sir. You must want 2 more of this left. Or 3. You can't turn and go down so again. And next time turn and go down so again.
You guys, after how much hours are driving?
4.
4 hours are driving. We'll finally reach Rick Cafe. Clear the chat. The sun blazing. So, yeah.
I know that's not enough.
That may I say.
You catch my nose in another one day. Can't miss my nose.
The west end, last. But now, I'm nearly going down. Fuck. I'm shaking, I'm nearly going.
had some drinks. Now,
Come out of the last way tourist.
Cleo, you alright?
Yeah,
Do it for the vlog. As you can see, Cleo had too many drinks. So, yeah. We're going somewhere else. So, journey with me, you guys. My face is so sweaty and oily right now. But we gotta do it for the vlog, don't it? Hi, you guys. Now, we're at the beach in Negril. Cleo is right. Cleo. She's up there. So I'm gonna go to her. So you guys like my swimsuit? How I style it this time? By the twists and so forth. Yeah.
Hi guys.
You still tipsy?
I don't know.
This is Cleo. Oi.
You bite.
She find one dog. She have to give them a slow spin. Yeah, that's my best friend though. I don't even know what this beach name though. But let me show you guys. I forget it. Hi. Oh, this water's so cold. So, y'all go back to the car.
So guys, we're finished swimming. Today has been exceptional, but however the ending is not so well. So Peter Gay witnessed someone drowning along with her friend, and she tried to get help.
Yeah, we try to save the man because we're in at the beach, you know, we're in at the water. So we hear help. So I'll be like, let me hear it again. So I rang a signal somebody. They take so long to go reach the man. So after I'm going to see somebody, for ask for help, them have to run because that person there is not a lifeguard. And the man dead on spot.
So yeah, they even took long to bring him up out of the water, back on the shore. They pumped him and it was only foam. So he looked like he's in his 70s or 80s or so forth.
And he came here on his vacation because he's a tourist.
And he passed. So
Brother, how the beach name again? Hyan. Oh, Hyan, yeah. Yeah, we are at Hyan Beach in Negril. This is where everything happened. We were so close to save the gentleman, you know, but unfortunately it was too late. But at least we tried.
Give me a big 6 mix with original and barbecue.
Original and barbecue.
Leg, thigh and rib. Yeah? Tropicana. Tropics. Eh? One orange. 3 grape. What about the extra 3?
No grape.
hi guys, so we're back home. It's the end of the day.
Today was fun, but sad, but fun.
Yeah.
No, say I can't really see me at the street like me I use now. So
Yeah, but we have more in store for you guys. So yeah.
Just be on the lookout. Bye, Cleo.
Bye.
Bye. So may I get ready to go home now. So take some part up and so yeah.